Hello buddies, let's learn some facts about the human heart in this video. Before moving, please subscribe my videos that you'll be equipped with more information what I upload. Thank you. Okay, now let us explore the video. The human body is considered as the most important organ of the body. Even a small malfunction in the heart leads to a very critical effects in the human organisms. The average heart is the size of an adult fist. The weight of the heart is about 250 to 350 grams. Newborn baby heart is faster than adult heart. It's about 70 to 190 beats per minute. Every day, heart pumps about 2000 gallons of blood. The beating sound of the heart is caused by the opening and the closing of its valves. A woman's heartbeat is slightly faster than the man's heartbeat. The heartbeat of an average man is about 70 times a minute approximately, and the heartbeat of an average woman is about 78 times a minute approximately. The heart has the ability to beat over 3 billion times in a person's lifetime. It's surprising to know that the studies tell most heart attacks occur during Monday morning. Heart attack happens when there is a block at the blood flowing to your heart. There will be insufficient and the required oxygen level will be less, and this is the reason of getting the heart attack. People with high blood pressure, high cholesterol, increased stress level, and people with smoking habits have more probability of getting heart attack. Keep your heart healthy by having good nutrient food and vegetables. Do exercises regularly and take a walk for at least 10 minutes a day. Avoid oily food and junk food. Drink loads of water. Do the breathing exercises regularly. All these will enable to have a good functioning of the heart. Our heart is our treasure. Maintain with healthy and good habits to have an everlasting blessed life. Thank you guys for watching, and let me bring out with more informations and facts. Stay tuned. And please do share and subscribe my videos to get equipped more. Thank you.